Mindy and welcome to Mindy Cooks Kitchen. Again with 5 ingredients recipe, but today is only 4. I'm going to show you how to make crispy pork belly, and it's super easy to make it at home. Trust me, it's worth it to do. And now let me walk you through all the ingredients and let's get started. Don't forget to ปักตะไคร้ subscribe. Just kidding. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like, please like and share to your friend. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Ring the bell so you don't miss the fun content. And I hope to see you on the next video. Bye! Bye!